What's up guys, breaking news is here. Samsung has revealed the Galaxy Z Flip in the official trailer before the launch of this device, which is gonna happen tomorrow. So it's amazing that they did that, and yeah, it's the full trailer showcasing everything, the design and the features and where this phone is targeted towards. Pretty much all is revealed within this video. We also have some new user hands-on videos as well of the device that we're going to talk about later, but let's talk about the trailer first of all. It starts off with teasing that shiny purple color that is coming with this device. It's probably the first time Samsung is bringing this color with any of its device, so it's definitely iconic. There's only one Samsung logo on this phone, which is only visible when the phone is folded, as you can see in this shot. Then we have this side shot which shows off the fingerprint scanner, which is also a power button towards the side along with the volume rocker. And as we have seen this in bunch of renders as well, this is the official wallpaper for the Galaxy Z Flip, and it just looks amazing. It is very complementary to the purple color. You can see we have two colors, purple and black. And look at how it locks into this position, giving you a special kind of display ratio. Not only in the 90 degrees, it also locks into 180-degree angle as well, as you can see in this shot with the girl in the image. Looks really good when it's completely folded. And then we have this amazing look of the outer display, which shows up more information than just time and the calendar info. So if someone is calling you, it's gonna pop up on the outer display, which is looking really good, and it is color coordinated. So if you go with the purple Galaxy Z Flip, you get the purple color LED. If you go with the black one, then you'll see the black color. Then we have the video calling aspect of the trailer, where when you're talking to someone, you can lock the phone in 90 degrees and put the phone on the table. That way you don't have to hold the phone in order to talk to someone. You can still see their face. That's kind of cool actually if you talk a lot on videos and if you want to do something else at the same time. And then of course the trailer ends with the tagline of the device, which is change the shape of the future. So yeah, there you have it. This is the official trailer of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Pretty much reveals everything just a day before the launch, actually about 48 hours before the launch. And apart from this, we also have some more hands-on videos of the Galaxy Z Flip coming from Twitter and various social media sites. And basically one of the video confirms that it is rocking Snapdragon 855 chipset. We've already seen the complete spec sheet, so if you don't know already, it's rocking the camera similar to the Galaxy S10e, 3300 mAh battery, 6.7-inch ultra thin glass, all that good stuff. It is offering something really new that we have not seen on any Samsung phone before, but at the same time the specs are of 2019 and it's gonna cost around the same price as the Galaxy S20 Ultra. So it's definitely targeted towards some specific people. I think most people would prefer S20 Ultra, but I want to hear your thoughts in the comments section below regarding the Galaxy Z Flip. What you think after seeing it officially? I do think that it looks really incredible, and I would love to actually use this phone as my daily driver to see how well the experience will be. And yeah, just comment below your thoughts, and as always, stay tuned for the latest coverage regarding the Galaxy S20 family happening really soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.